Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Vercel environment variables for React deployments. Full guide. To activate Vercel environment variables for your React deployments, start by logging into your Vercel account. Once logged in, navigate to your project dashboard. Select the project you want to configure. On the project dashboard, find and click on the Settings tab. Scroll down to the Environment Variables section. Click on the Add New button to create a new variable. In the prompt, enter the name of your environment variable. Make sure to keep the variable name consistent with your application code. Now, enter the value that you want this variable to hold. Choose the environment where you want this variable to be available. You can select from Development, Preview, or Production. Click on the Save button to store the new environment variable. Next, open your React application code. Locate the file where you want to use the environment variable. Use the following syntax to access your variable: process.env.variable_name. Replace variable_name with the name you chose earlier. Make sure to restart your development server if you're testing. Once you're ready, deploy your application to Vercel. After deployment, verify that the environment variable is functioning correctly. Return to your project settings on Vercel to manage or edit any variables as needed. That's it, your Vercel environment variables are now activated for your React deployments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.